Here's the answer for day one, problem one. Find the distance between these points. 1, 4 is located right 1 and up 4, right there. 4, 2 is located right 4 and up 2. It's right there. We want to find the distance between these dots, or if we connect them with a segment, we want to find the length of that segment. Now the technique is to turn this into a right triangle. So let's draw straight down and then over to the right. Here's our 90-degree angle. We created a right triangle. This leg is 2 units long, and across the bottom this is 3 units long. The legs of a right triangle are given the letters A and B. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is given the letter C, and that's what we want to figure out. We're going to do this with the Pythagorean theorem. So here in question B it says find the distance, show the work. The work that we have to show is the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Fill in the 2 and the 3. This becomes 4 plus 9, which is 13, and that's equal to C squared. Now take the square root to get the letter C alone. That's how long it is between the two dots. Now, day one, problem 2, we're told that line C is parallel to line D. That's telling us about the slope of the line. The slope is the same as the slope of line D. So what's the slope of line D? The coefficient of x is -1. That number in front of x is the slope. The other thing we're told about line C is it goes through the point -1, 5. This number is x1 and this number is y1 when you use formulas. Now the formula we're going to use is called point slope form. It looks like this. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Hopefully that's on your note sheet so that you do well on these quizzes. Now let's substitute. Y minus 5 equals, m means slope, it's the -1 from that equation right there. And then in the parentheses, x minus -1. Okay, this is our equation, except we have this negative side by side in here, and we can fix that. So we'll rewrite this as y minus 5 equals -1 times x plus 1. This is the answer to question A. Now in question B, we're asked to graph this line. This line goes through the point -1, 5. So left to -1 and then up to the 5. Here's a dot. The slope of this line is -1. That means to go down 1 unit and right 1 unit. Here is our line.